Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to link your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into both accounts. If you don't have an Xbox or Ubisoft account yet, just hit Create Account and follow the on-screen steps. It only takes a minute. Once you're inside your Ubisoft account, go to the top right corner and click Account Management. Here, open the Account Information page and scroll down until you find Linked Accounts. You'll see Xbox, PlayStation, Discord, Facebook, and more. Next to Xbox, click Link. A message will pop up letting you know that your Xbox account will be used as part of your Ubisoft experience. Click Continue, and Ubisoft will redirect you to the official Xbox login page. Sign in with your Xbox email and password, and then confirm the permissions by clicking Accept. After that, you'll be taken back to Ubisoft, where you'll now see your Xbox account successfully linked. Linking these accounts gives you awesome benefits like cross-progression, shared rewards, synchronized game data, and access to exclusive in-game content across both platforms. If you run into any issues, just head over to Ubisoft Support or Xbox Support, and they'll help you fix the problem quickly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.